dear friend, welcome to my YouTube channel One Touch Physics. I hope that you have liked my video. So I request you to watch the video up to end so that you can perfectly understand the concept of the physics. So please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and please press bell icon. In first video of chapter 1 of class 12, I have explained about the electric charge and its property. Now in this video, I am eager to explain you the electrify the body. How to electrify the body? The type of electrify the body are three. The first type is friction method. So in this friction method, consider that system consists two body. First body plastic rod and second fur cloth. These two bodies are initially electrically neutral. To explain this fact, consider that the positive charge of 30 proton and negative charge of 30 electron inside the plastic rod. So net charge on plastic rod is 0. Similarly, the positive charge of 25 proton and negative charge of 25 electrons. So net charge on fur cloth is also 0. So now plastic rod is rubbed with fur cloth, then some amount of the electron, let 5 electrons are transferred from fur cloth to plastic rod. So here 5 is subtracted, fur cloth lose 5 electron. So here plus 25 minus 20 plus 5. So fur cloth become positive charge, plastic rod gain 5 electrons. So here 5 is added. So 30 plus 30 minus 35 minus 5. So plastic rod become negative charge. In this process, the plastic rod is rubbed with fur cloth. So 5 electrons are transferred from fur cloth to plastic rod. It is not necessary that 5 electrons are transferred, but some amount of the electrons are transferred from fur cloth to plastic rod. And it is also not really that there are 30 protons, 30 electrons. There are n numbers of the protons and electrons are available inside the body. I have here taken 25, 20, 30 to explain the fact. So it is not really. Okay, now I am giving you pair of the body. Between these two body, if you rub with each others, one body becomes positive charge and second body becomes negative charge. So here FGW becomes positive and pressure become negative. So what is FGW? F means fur, G means glass, W means wool. Here this type of body become positive. Pressure, P for plastic, A for amber, S for silk, E for ebonite and R for rubber. So such type of body becomes negative. In this pair of the body, consider one pair, glass rod and silk cloth. If glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, glass rod become positive and silk cloth become negative. So this is the type of method due to friction, one body and other body, both body are being charged. Now second method, contact method. In contact method, consider two metallic sphere A and B. In case 1, the radius of the sphere A and B are same, but the sphere A possesses Q charge where sphere B is electrically neutral. Now these two spheres brought in contact and separated, then Q by 2 amount of the electric charge transferred from sphere A to B. So both sphere becomes charged, but the charge on sphere A and charge on sphere B is same, Q by 2, Q by 2. In case 2, the radius of the sphere A is R1 and that of the B is R2, but here R1 is greater than R2. The charge on sphere A is Q, but sphere B is electrically neutral. Now these two spheres brought in contact and separated, then Q2 amount of charge transferred from sphere A to B. Remaining charge on sphere A is Q1, but Q1 plus Q2 equal to Q. Here Q1 is greater than Q2. It indicates that less amount of the charge is transferred from A to B because there is a smaller area, less area compared to that of the sphere A. Now third case. In third case, the radius of the sphere A is smaller than that of the B, means R1 less than R2. Sphere A passes Q amount of the charge, sphere B is electrically neutral. Now these two spheres are brought in contact and separated, then Q2 amount of the charge is transferred from sphere A to B. Remaining charge on sphere A is Q1. Here also Q1 plus Q2 is equal to Q, but Q1 is less than Q2. So it indicating that more amount of the charge transferred from A to B because there is a larger area on sphere B compared to that of A. So this is the contact method. In contact method, one body is charged and second body is electrically neutral. Both are brought in contact, then both body becomes charged. In friction, initially both body are electrically neutral, but due to friction, some electron transfer from one body to another body and both body becomes charged. So here these two type of method I will explain you. One friction method, second contact method, and now third method is induction of electric charge. Now third method of charging body is induction of electric charge. In this method, to explain this fact, consider 5 figure A, B, C, D and E. Bring two equal metal spheres supported on insulating stand in contact as shown in figure A. Now bring positively glass rod near to sphere A. Then free electrons in the spheres are attracted toward the glass rod. This leaves the excess of the positive charge on the rear surface of the sphere B. So two kinds of charge are bound on the surface of the sphere A and B. Here left surface of the sphere A possesses negative charge, right surface of the sphere B possesses positive charge. Here not all electrons are accumulated on the left surface of the sphere A because the electrons start depositing on the left surface, repel the other electrons which are attracted toward the glass rod. So in short times equilibrium established under the effect of the attraction force of glass rod and repulsion force of accumulated of electron. So figure B show the equilibrium position. Separate the sphere A and B by small distance as shown in figure C. Then both spheres are to be found in oppositely charged. Sphere A found negative charge, sphere B found positively charged. Now remove the glass rod as shown in the figure D. Then charge on the spheres are rearranged. Now separate the sphere by quite apart. Then charge on the spheres get redistributed on enter the surface of the sphere A and B. So sphere A possesses uniformly negative charge and sphere B possesses uniformly positive charge. So in this method, the spheres initially are electrically neutral, which are not brought in contact with the positively charged body glass rod, even though both spheres are being charged. So this process is known as induction of electric charge. So in induction of electric charge, the uncharged body is not brought in contact with charged body, even though body can be charged. Such process is known as induction of electric charge. Thank you.